Now, the story from the Mexico Olympics shows an example of social division and social inequalities. Now, इस example से हमें क्या देखने को मिला कि society में there is lot of division in the society and there is lot of inequality, right? Some are treated as, you know, some are called rich, some are poor, some are black, some are white, right? And different caste, different religions, so many things. And inequality means blacks को equally consider नहीं किया जा रहा था, right? So from this example, we got to know that there's a lot of division and inequality in the society. But in society, there are other forms of social divisions that exist. So abhi we have seen among blacks and whites, you know, there was a division, right? They were rich and poor, ye bhi ek division tha. But there are many other types of divisions that are there in the society. So let us have a look which all are they. So, and also we will see that how these social differences originated, right? What is the origin of social differences? So, the social differences are mostly based on the accident of birth, right? So, social difference अगर किसी में होता है तो see by birth ही होता है, right? अब हमें हमारे हाथ में तो नहीं है, we cannot choose, right? So, for example, people around us are male or female, so right, it is by birth, right? Somebody is tall, somebody is short, again this is by birth. Have different kinds of complexions, this is again kind of, you know, कहाँ पर आपका बर्थ हुआ है, जैसे कुछ जो अफ्रीका में किसी का बर्थ हुआ है तो वहाँ का क्लाइमेट ऐसा आया, उनके जीन्स ऐसे हैं, है ना, किसी का रशिया में हुआ है ना, यूरोपियन लोगों की क्या होता है, हाइट कुछ ज़्यादा ही होती है ना, नेपाल में लोगों की आप देखोगे हाइट कम होती है ना, तो कई बार क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस भी ऐसे होते हैं जिससे कि ये सोशल डिफरेंसेस होते हैं, लेकिन दीज आर मोस्टली बाय बर्थ, है ना, इसमें तो किसी का हाथ नहीं है. Or have different physical abilities or disabilities. Now, some people are, you know, born with physical disabilities, right? And some people are born with a very nice, very great IQ level. So, we never know. These are all based by birth, है ना? But some of the differences are based on our choices. Now, we have seen few differences are by birth, है ना? जैसे male, female, gender, height, tall or short, somebody is fat, somebody is thin, complexions, physical abilities, disabilities, these are all by birth, right? We cannot control it. But some of the differences are based on our choices. Now, there are few differences which we create on our own, right? Because we make a choice for that. For example, some people are atheist, okay? That is, they do not believe in God or any religion, right? Atheist कौन होते हैं? ऐसे लोग, नास्तिक लोग जो भगवान को नहीं मानते और किसी भी रिलीजन को नहीं मानते, ठीक है, इट्स देयर चॉइस, राइट? व्हाइल some people believe in God, so this is our choice, right? If you want to believe in God, you may believe in God. If you don't want to, don't believe in God. So this is our choice, right? So again, but again, this is a social difference, right? This creates a social difference. There are various other choices such as choosing what to study, right? Now we make a choice, whatever we want to study, we can study. Whatever occupation, whatever work we want to do, we can do, right? Which game we want to participate in, we can, it is our choice. Which cultural activity in school you want to participate, you can participate. If you don't want to, don't participate, right? So these are certain differences which we create, right? Which are based on our choice, right? Which we create on our own, right? Every social difference does not lead to social division. Now, some social differences leads to social divisions, right? जैसे हमने black और white का देखा था example. But not every social difference leads to social division. Social differences divide similar people from one another, but they also unite very different people. So, social differences sometimes they divide similar people from one another, right? But they also unite very different people. So, in the instance above, Carlos and Smith were similar in one way, right? They were both African Americans, right? And thus different from Norman as he was the white, right? So, see, social difference कहाँ आया कि Carlos and Smith, they were blacks, right? But Norman was white. But ये था एक social difference which could divide them, but it can also unite, because we have seen that later Norman supported these two people, right? So it has united them. But they were also all similar in other ways, है ना? अब ये similar कैसे थे? ये एक चीज इनको डिवाइड कर सकती थी कि भाई they were, you know, blacks and Norman was white, but they were similar in other ways. कैसे? They were all athletes, right? Who stood against racial discrimination. So when Carlos and Smith chose to stand against racial discrimination, Norman supported them, right? So now this is the similarity, it has united them, right? That they all came up together against the racial discrimination thing. It is fairly common for people belonging to the same religion to feel that they do not belong to the same community because their caste or sect is very different. Now, sometimes if you are born in some religion, right, and you don't feel that you belong to this community, so we have a choice, we can convert. There are many people, you know, who convert afterwards. There are many Hindus who converted to Christianity or Islam, right, or Buddhism, right, and there are many people who were born as Muslims, but then later on they converted to Hinduism or, you know, Jainism or, you know, Christianity they adopted later on, right. So it is on us, right, whatever we want we can choose. Now, thus, we all have more than one identity and can belong to more than one social group. So, we all have more than one identity and we can belong to more than one social group means we have different identities in different contexts. So, अलग-अलग you know, contexts के अंदर हमारी identities जो है वो अलग-अलग हो सकती हैं, right? So, we can do that. Now we will be learning about overlapping and cross-cutting. So what is the difference between overlapping and cross-cutting? So overlapping, let us see first of all. In overlapping, what happens? Social division takes place when some social difference overlaps with other differences, right? So then people start feeling that they belong to different communities. Okay, so social division takes place when some social difference overlaps with other differences means, जैसे for example, black, अभी we'll be seeing example. So the difference between blacks and the whites in USA is an example of overlapping difference because one thing is blacks are poor, right? They are homeless also and they are discriminated. ठीक है, they are blacks first of all, then they are poor also, they are homeless also and they are discriminated also, right? So एक चीज दूसरे को overlap करते जा रही है, right? So these creates possibilities of deep social divisions, right? तो इनसे क्या होता है, social divisions create होते हैं society में, which is bad for a society. Then for example, the same similar case we can understand in the context of India also, that in India Dalits face this type of discrimination as they belong to poor families. अभी तो नहीं, पहले ऐसा होता था ना कि Dalits को जिनके साथ discrimination होता था, that you know, one is they are Dalits, then they were poor, right, and then they were considered as inferior, right, while the upper class people they were rich, right, and they were superior. है ना, ऐसा होता था पहले. So we can understand it in the context of India. This example of overlapping, I hope this is clear to everyone. Then comes cross cutting. So a social difference cross cuts another difference. जैसे for example, the group can share a common interest on one issue but are likely to be in different sides on different issues. And such things are easier to accommodate, है ना. जैसे in Netherlands, class and religion tend to cut across each other as Catholics and Protestants are about equally likely to be poor or rich. So you know that Christianity has two branches, right? So one is Christianity के अंदर दो हैं, एक तो है Catholics और एक है Protestants, right? Christianity के दो branches हैं. जैसे Muslims में है शिया अलग है, सुन्नी अलग है. जैन्स में है दिगंबर अलग है, श्वेतांबर अलग है. सिमिलरली क्रिश्चियंस में है कैथोलिक्स एंड प्रोटेस्टेंट्स. ओके, नाउ नीदरलैंड्स में क्या है, कुछ कैथोलिक्स पुअर हैं, कुछ रिच हैं. प्रोटेस्टेंट्स में भी कुछ पुअर हैं, कुछ रिच हैं. सो ये क्या होता है, क्रॉस कटिंग, राइट. तो इससे सोसाइटी में डिफरेंसेस क्रिएट नहीं होते हैं क्योंकि एक सोशल डिफरेंस से दूसरे को कट कर दिया, राइट. सो क्रॉस, दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ क्रॉस कटिंग. इससे क्या होता है, दे आर इजियर टू अकोमोडेट दीज डिफरेंसेस.